Your turbo could be destroying itself right now, and you wouldn't hear it, feel it, or see a warning light. What's worse, most drivers cause this damage themselves. Stay with me, because mistake number 7 alone can cost over $4,000 if you keep doing it. Mistake number 1, flooring it on a cold engine. Here's the part most drivers miss. Turbochargers spin at over 150,000 RPM. When your engine is cold, oil is thick and slow. If you mash the throttle right after startup, your turbo is spinning without proper lubrication. That metal-on-metal contact? That's permanent wear. What to do instead? Drive gently for the first 3 to 5 minutes. Let oil pressure fully build before boost. Mistake number 2, shutting the engine off immediately after hard driving. This one quietly kills turbos. After highway pulls, towing, or spirited driving, your turbo is extremely hot. Turn the engine off immediately, oil stops flowing, heat stays trapped. Oil burns onto the turbo bearings, a process called cooking, which leads to oil starvation, shaft play, and turbo failure. To avoid this, idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving. That 1 minute can save thousands. Mistake number 3, cheap oil. Turbo engines destroy oil faster than non-turbo engines. High heat, high pressure, high RPM. If you cheap out on oil or stretch intervals, sludge forms inside turbo oil lines. Once those clog, the turbo starves and it's game over. Use manufacturer-approved oil. Change it earlier than recommended, not later. Mistake number 4, ignoring small boost issues. Here's where people get fooled. A tiny whistle, slight loss of power, occasional hesitation. Drivers ignore it, but small boost leaks force the turbo to work harder to compensate. More speed, more heat, more stress. That minor issue snowballs fast. Any boost noise or power loss, check it immediately. Mistake number 5, slamming the throttle at low RPM. This one feels powerful, but it's brutal on turbos. Full throttle at low RPM causes compressor surge. Air backs up, pressure spikes. That shockwave hits the turbo blades directly. Do it repeatedly and the turbo cracks or bends. Your best move is to downshift first, then apply throttle smoothly. Mistake number 6, running low-quality fuel. Turbo engines are detonation sensitive. Cheap fuel increases knock. Knock forces the ECU to pull timing, more heat built in the turbo. Long-term, cracked housings, worn bearings. Follow the fuel label always. Octane prevents knock, it doesn't add power. Mistake number 7, modifying without supporting upgrades. This is the expensive one. Tune first, bigger boost, stock cooling, stock fueling. Here's the part most drivers miss. The turbo wasn't designed for that heat. Without better cooling, oil flow, and airflow, the turbo overheats constantly, and when it fails, the engine often goes with it. Mods need balance, not just boost. Mistake number 8, dirty or oiled air filters. That performance filter might be hurting you. Over-oiled filters can coat the turbo compressor blades. Dust and grit slip through. Blades lose balance. At 150,000 RPM, imbalance destroys bearings fast. Keep filters clean and properly oiled, or go OEM. Mistake number 9, driving with low oil levels. This one's simple and deadly. Low oil means less cooling, less lubrication, more heat. Turbo bearings are usually the first to fail. Check oil every few weeks, not just during service. Mistake number 10, ignoring warning lights in limp mode. If your car enters limp mode, it's protecting the turbo, not annoying you. Boost control issues, overheat warnings, or engine lights mean the turbo is already under stress. Keep driving anyway, and you finish it off. Listen to the car, it's trying to save itself. If you floor it cold, skip oil changes, shut down hot, ignore boost problems, you're shortening your turbo's life by years. If this saved you from a blown turbo, hit the like button and helps this channel more than you think. Subscribe for more real-world car tips most drivers never learn, and comment below, which mistake have you been making without realizing it? Your turbo and your wallet will thank you.